This is, I believe, an instructional video on how to do what you asked me to do, how to do. So first, you go to the home page for the site editor. You go to Pages, and then you click Add New Page. The blank layout is fine. You might want to try something fancier if you want to. And then you're going to need to go back to another copy of the home page, another tab, and open up another Pages, and open up the home page. We're not going to do blocks yet. So if I want to condense philosophy, say, then first of all, don't lose my cursor. So I'm just going to, there is an autosave that is more recent than the version below. Okay, so I won't edit what you did. So maybe that's why I'm not seeing what you've done yet. So I won't save what I'm doing because I don't want to screw up what you've done. So I'm going to copy all of my philosophy stuff. I would cut it normally, but again, don't want to mess up your stuff. So I just copied it with Control-C, and now go over here to the original tab, and in the new page I title it Philosophy, and then I paste everything. I'll clean that up after I'm done videotaping, and then I'll hit publish if it's ready to go. And then after, if you did, then you'd go back to this. You'd have all this deleted, and you could turn this into a link just by hitting that, this, and clicking. There's normally a link button, but I don't want to mess up here. So you turn this into a link to the new page the same way, like, say, the blog goes to this page, right? So you can just put in the new address because these are static addresses. You can see an example down at the bottom. At education, I've already done this once. Right? It just goes to nickes.com/education. So we'll be able to set this to, insert link /philosophy, and then you're done, because all this text will be on the new page that's linked right there.